Breaking news. If you're trying to access your Wells Fargo app right now, you're not alone. Users everywhere are reporting issues. And guess what? People are furious. Is your money safe? When will the app be back up? Stick with me. I've got all the answers you need to know. From login failures to missing transactions, the Wells Fargo app outage has customers in panic mode. In today's video, we're breaking down what's happening, how it's affecting your money, and what you can do right now to stay in control. So, smash that like button if you've been affected. And let's dive in. So, what's going on? Reports started flooding in early this morning. Users are seeing error messages, transfers aren't going through, and some even claim their account balances are showing the wrong amount. Clearly, this isn't just a small glitch. But the real question is, what's causing it? There's no official statement yet, but let's break down the possibilities. 1. A system crash. With millions of users logging in, even the biggest banks can experience overloads. 2. A cyber attack. Some users are worried. Could this be a security breach? 3. A routine update gone wrong. Banks update their apps all the time, but sometimes things go sideways. Whatever the reason, one thing's for sure. People need answers now. This isn't just an inconvenience. It could seriously impact your money. Here's how. White heavy checkmark direct deposits and paychecks. If today is payday, you might not see your money yet. White heavy checkmark bill payments and transfers. Automatic payments could fail, leading to late fees. White heavy checkmark ATM withdrawals and card declines. If your account isn't updating, you might have trouble accessing cash. If you're experiencing any of these issues, keep watching. I'll show you exactly what to do next. Alright, here's your action plan while Wells Fargo scrambles to fix this mess. Small Blue Diamond check the Wells Fargo status page. They might post updates on outages. Small Blue Diamond use online banking, if available. Try logging in from a desktop instead of the app. Small Blue Diamond visit an ATM or branch. If you need cash, go old school. Small Blue Diamond monitor your transactions. Take screenshots now, so you have proof if anything disappears later. Small Blue Diamond switch to an alternative payment method. If you have another bank account or digital wallet, use that until things stabilize. So, when can you expect things to be back to normal? If we look at past outages, Wells Fargo has had similar issues in the past. Some were resolved in hours, while others dragged on for days. For now, keep checking their official channels, and be prepared with a backup plan just in case. Are you dealing with this Wells Fargo nightmare? Drop a comment below, and tell me what's happening on your end. And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for real-time updates. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed. See you in the next one.